a bunch of these sweet and filled with warm spices muffins. Learn how to make sweet potato and pumpkin spice baked muffins with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mash the pre-baked sweet potatoes. Add in the egg whites, pumpkin pie spice, dry oatmeal, ISO 100, and baking mix. Fold until evenly incorporated. Pour into a greased muffin tin lined with paper liners, then bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.